Welcome. You are listening Radio Central News. I am Vikrant Dogra and now news in detail. The Reserve Bank of India RBI on Friday kept the key rates unaltered for the sixth consecutive time in its June policy review meeting. The apex bank lowered its estimate of economic growth to 9.5% for the current fiscal from earlier projection of 10.5% due to the impact of the second COVID-19 wave. The Monetary Policy Committee MPC headed by the Governor Shakti Kanta Das voted unanimously for retained repo rate at 4% and reserve repo rate at 3.35%. The central bank stuck to its accommodative stance mainly on account of uncertainty over the impact on the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. Rural demand is expected to remain strong due to normal monsoon, forecast Kovdas. Considering all factors, real GDP is seen at 9.5% in FY21-22. CPI inflation is seen at 5.1% FY21 to 22, he said. Latest CPI inflation print offers RBI some policy elbow room, the RBI governor said. In his address after the policy outcome, Governor Das said the Reserve Bank will continue to think and plan out of the box. On inflation, he said that retail inflation is likely to be 5.1% during the current fiscal. MPC has been given the mandate to maintain annual inflation at 4% until March 31, 2026, with an upper tolerance of 2%. The Defence Acquisition Council (DAC), in its meeting held under the chairmanship of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday, approved request for proposal (RFP) for construction of 6 stealth submarines for Rs 43,000 crore, while it also approved air defence guns and ammunition for Army worth Rs 6,000 crore. The RFP for construction of 6 conventional submarines under Project P75I under the Strategic Partnership SP model, the Indian Navy is intending to issue RFP to build 6 stealth submarines equipped with the state-of-the-art air-independent propulsion system. If the approval for the RFP is given, the tender process would start rolling, the source said. On January 21 last year, the DAC selected 2 domestic shipyard companies, including Magazone Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL) and private sector firm Larsen and Toubro L&T as strategic partners for the Project 75I program. Under this project, 6 new stealth submarines will be constructed in collaboration with global original equipment manufacturers (OEMs), providing a major boost to the indigenous design and construction capability of submarines in India, in addition to bringing in the latest submarine design and technologies as part of the project. Continuation of the United States' hardline policy against China, President Joe Biden has tightened a ban on American investments in Chinese defense and surveillance technology companies. An executive order Biden signed on Thursday listed 59 companies, including Huawei Technologies Company and video surveillance company Hangzhou Hikvision digital technology company, that are subject to the prohibitions. The ban will take effect on August 2nd. Many of the companies in Biden's order were reportedly blacklisted under the previous Trump administration. The White House said Biden's executive order not only prevents U.S. investment from supporting the Chinese defense sector, but also expands the U.S. government's ability to address the threat of Chinese firms that contribute to the surveillance of religious or ethnic minorities or facilitate serious human rights abuses. The BSE Sensex dropped 132.83 points to settle at 51,100.05 after RBI decided to keep key rates unaltered while announcing the monetary policy on Friday. Selling in Bankex, consumer durable, FMCG, and healthcare stocks dampened the sentiments of the investors. The Nifty fell by 20.10 points to 15,670.26. A seesaw trend was seen in equity market. The day opened in green as the Sensex gained 135 points to 52,367.52. It surged 157 points to 52,389.02 days high. Later, it erased earlier gains and tumbled down 280 points to 51,952.70, days low before closing at 52,100.05, sliding by 132.38 points from its previous close. The Sensex registered days high and low at 52,389.92 and 51,952.70 points respectively. The Nifty recorded days high and low at 15,733.60 and 15,622.35 points respectively. The mid cap rose by 0.63% and small cap rose by 0.78%. In 30 scripts, 13 advanced, 16 declined, while 1 remained unchanged. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.